What's going on, guys? So today we're in the K-Nugget. We're gonna go bust a mission right now and get the windshield replaced because it got broken. Let me show you. You can see it right there, but it's pretty cracked. Go to this shop in Alameda that a lot of the homies go to, so we're gonna go from there. Well, we made it to the shop. Yep, so getting the windshield replaced. 120. Fuck it, better than running it all crooked. Go the old glass. Pony's looking pretty good. Now the windshield's off. Got their thing. Cleaned it up pretty nice. Now the windshield's going.
Told on me, couldn't get a bond. I set it out, they put that hold on me. 4-5, XDs, 50 shot, glizzies, please treat, bitch please. You know I grew up on that violence. DOA turn off them sirens. I be thirsty on his ass from Cicero's.
I came to my local tent shop that I was coming to for years. We're gonna get the tents on the Nugget. Much the point is, oh, got the windshield replaced. You can see that. The point is, so that way you don't see the rear fence bar in the back. So that way it looks a little bit more low key. So we went ahead with the 5%. That way it's not too over dark.
Ain't no exposing me. I be in them trenches where a nigga say he's supposed to be. Told him where the nigga ass up, he can't get close to me. Fire nigga ass up, he gon' need surgery. Ambulance get his ass up, he sold his soul to me. He a home.
So far, we're out of the tent shop, and this is how it looks. I went with 5% in the back just because I don't want it too dark. So far, you know, it's not bad. I don't want to do the front just because I have manual windows and I don't want to be dealing with cops. The reason I got the tints is just to kind of keep the interior more conspicuous, that way you can't see the X bar unless you really pay attention. But it came out good.
Off that Zico Tuka in that fast. We gon' put in work. Sneaky talking, saying this and that. Just gon' get them murk. You don't want them shells from that map. Chase a nigga down like Ricky, shoot your back.